everyone, welcome to Kriya's Tasty World. I am Rupakala. Today's recipe, drumstick recipe. Very tasty, easy and healthy recipe. Okay, let us go to kitchen and see how to make this recipe. To prepare the drumstick recipe, I take 3 drumsticks. Okay, cut these drumsticks like this. Remove the skin and cut like this. Okay, remove the skin. Cut all like this. Take a pressure cooker and put it into the pressure cooker. Add half cup of water. Remaining water. Close it and turn on flame and cook 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, like this. Remaining water, the boiled water. You take a piece drumstick and take the flesh. Use a spoon or fork. Take flesh like this. I take all flesh like this. Okay. 10 shallots. Cut like this. Garlic cloves 6. 1 tomato. Heat pan and add 2 teaspoon oil. Heat the oil. Add 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal, roast it. Roast till the golden color. Add curry leaves. Red chilli. 5 red chillies. Add shallots and garlic. Salt well. Add tomato. Cut like this and add. Add the drumstick flesh. Sort it well. Little tamarind and remaining boiled water. Sort like this. Salt to taste. Salt well. Flame off and allow it to cool. Then take a mixie jar and put it into the jar. Okay. Grind it. Grind smooth paste. Our drumstick chutney is ready. You try. Hot tempering, mustard, curry leaves and red chilli. Okay.